I would have to say we're probably, what? I mean, we're not even a couple weeks away from where all of a sudden random 75-degree days. I mean, we're close. It's what, April already?